Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use your Android phone as second monitor. So, if you want to display your laptop screen on your phone, or you want to control your laptop screen using your Android phone, then you need to set your phone as second monitor. Therefore, here, you learn how to set your phone as second monitor or how to control your PC using your phone in this video. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do is you want to download particular application on your Windows. This works on Windows 10, Windows 11, and it works on laptop, desktop, or any PC. On your PC or laptop, go ahead and open Microsoft Store. Now, once you open Microsoft Store, go ahead and search for this particular application called GlideX. Search for it. Then you want to go ahead and install the application on your Windows computer. So this is an ASUS application, so it works on all laptop model. It works on Dell, it works on HP, it works on Toshiba, it works on all laptop or desktop that runs on Windows operating system. So, and this dual monitor application is completely free for all devices. Make sure you install the ASUS Tech Computer High-Neck GlideX application so that you can easily set dual monitor or use your phone as second screen on your laptop. Now, once you've downloaded it on your PC, go ahead and take your Android phone. On your Android phone, open Play Store. Then click on the search button at the bottom right. Go ahead and click on search, then search for GlideX. Once you search for GlideX mobile application, click on the first result, which is GlideX. Now go ahead and install this application. If you already have the application installed on your Android phone, this could be Google Nexus, it could be Samsung, it could be Infinix, just any Android device, go ahead and then install it on it. After that, before you can easily use your phone as second monitor on your laptop, go ahead and open your phone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Now, you need to allow this application to be used as overlay. So, if you click on your app settings or here, just scroll down until you get to the GlideX app on your Android phone. So scroll down and then click on it. Then you should see permissions. Click on permissions. Then under permission, you want to allow notifications. You may also allow camera. And then when you want to use the GlideX application, you'll be prompted to allow overlay on the application, which you need to turn on to be able to use your Android phone as second monitor or to be able to use your Android phone as a dual screen with your laptop. Now, the next thing is this. You want to make sure that your laptop and your phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, you'll not be able to use your phone as second screen with this particular application. Then, come to network on your PC. Go ahead and select your wireless network. On your Android phone, click on wireless and make sure both devices are connected to the same wireless. Then, go ahead and open the GlideX application on your laptop or PC. You can click on the Start button, search for GlideX. Now, click on Open to open the GlideX application. This is the first time of using the GlideX application, then you'll be prompted to walk through the introduction page, which you may choose to skip or continue. Now, once you have the GlideX application opened, go ahead and click on Cross Device Protection on the left side under the hamburger. Now, go ahead and open the GlideX application on your Android phone. So just scroll down or search for GlideX. Once you search for the dual monitor screen application on your phone, then on your PC under cross device operation, locate and click on extend. Then click on search for service. Then click on search for device. Once you click on search for device, this is going to search for all devices on the same network as your PC. You can also use a USB device to set your phone as second monitor or dual monitor on your laptop. After that, go back to the Glide X on your phone, click on the scan button at the top right. Now go ahead and scan the Glide X QR code on your PC. Then hang on. If everything works perfectly, you should see your laptop screen duplicated or copy on your Android phone or on your mobile phone. Now this is the kicker. If you are unable to see the dual screen on your Android phone from your PC, what you need to do under extend is go ahead and click on preference. Then come to where you see duplicate. So let's say you have it set as extended. Then this is what you're going to have on your Android. But to set the second display on your Android phone, right from where you say cross device protection under extend, locate and click on preference. Once you selected preference, come to where you see settings under display or device rearrangement for extend and unify control. Click on this drop menu where you see extend and then select duplicate. The moment you selected duplicate, this is going to duplicate your PC or laptop screen on your phone. So go ahead and select duplicate and then hang on. Then you should see the same screen as your PC on your phone. Then you can come to where you say streaming quality for mirror and extend. If this is set to dynamic mode, kindly set this to manual, come to resolution. Under resolution, select HD, and under frame rate per seconds, that is FPS, just go ahead and click on 30. I always prefer to use 30 frame rate per seconds. After that, you can now come to where you see the display and then click on apply. Once you hit apply, then minimize this. Go ahead and minimize your PC. Now, whatever you want to do on your PC, you can carry them out on your phone. If you go to your phone, click on anything from your laptop on your phone, it's going to pop on your PC. So whatever you do on your phone here will appear on your PC. And whatever you do on your PC is going to come up on your phone. So this is like duplicating or having dual screen from your laptop on your laptop to your PC. Then, so if you want to perform any task on your PC and you have your phone with you with the dual screen or dual monitor on your phone, you can easily do this. So let me quickly just walk you through a sample of what I'm saying. So if I open window here, then you should see the window opens on my phone. Then if you go ahead and open any application on your laptop, then the same application is going to open on your PC. Even the mouse pointer on your PC will come up on your phone. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.